was a lucky flip. The funky rhythm I be kicking. Musician, inflicting composition of pain. I'm like Scarface, sniffing cocaine, holding an M16. See with the pen I'm extreme, never sleep. The sleep is the cousin of death. Beyond the walls of intelligence, life is defined. I think of crime when I'm in a New York state of mind. It's like the game ain't the same. Got younger niggas pulling the triggers, bringing fame to their name and claim some corners. Cruise without guns upon the city never sleeps. Full of villains and creeps. That's where I learned to do my hustle. Had to scuffle with freaks. I'm an addict for sneakers. 20s a Buddha and bitches with beakers. In the streets I could reach her. About blunts I teach her. Inhale deep like the words in my breath. I never sleep, cause sleep is the cousin of death. I lay puzzle as I backtracked in earlier times. Nothing's equivalent to the New York state of mind.
Edit this out.
Stop videoing me.
Oh boy, here we go. I don't smoke. The angry guy's gonna come and beat you up.
I'm making nitrous pass where he passes his little house.
I want a blunt. Stop videoing?
Are you videoing me?
No, I'm looking at the screen. Hulk Hogan over here. Hi. Oh, now I can see you. How are you?
Good. Yeah, I'm pretty tired.
You and being tired, motherfucker.
Put the motor in the training in.
That ain't shit. I've been fucking editing all week, pulling all-nighters like a fucking crackhead.
You have to do that.
You fucking put a gun to my head and say, edit this now. That's what everyone thinks.
Yeah, probably.
Hi, my friend. Hi. Yo, where'd you get that fucking shirt, dude?
Yo. We live this shit.
It's the real shit to make them feel shit. Lump them in the club shit. Have you out and out when you bump this. Drugs to your eardrum, the raw uncut. Have a nigga OD cause it's never enough.
Spin Daddy. Oh boy, here we go. You gonna listen to that guy or no?
Fuck no.
I'm making nitrous pass where he passes his fucking little house.
The angry guy's gonna come and beat you up. Getting out of this fucking hellhole. So we're on our way to New York City tonight. Got the old lucky New York hat. Tim's on. We're ready to fucking rock. Boy. 13 wides. Anyone want to send me?
Here's one. Just get it.
Is this sativa? They all smell the fucking same, dude. I have bad nostrils. I'll try cherry. Why not?
Have at her.
Which one of those are you going to snort?
All of them.
All of them?
Don't put them back in St. Paul.
Yo.
You with Papa Dre yet?
No, I'm literally just on his way to his house right now. I'll be there in like 5 minutes.
Alright.
You got it.
Alright.
You still haven't changed the oil since you bought it?
No, I'll do an oil change after tonight. If she treats me good.
Yo.
How we looking?
Nah, I talked to him, fucking, we're just gonna sit this one out. You don't want to do it.
Oh no.
Yeah.
You serious or not?
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
Yeah.
Trying to have some fun. Let's go.
I know.
What the fuck
You
you
don't
doing?
like that left lane over there, so you know?
You don't like the left lane?
Nah.
We can flip, I said. It's a gamble for both of us.
I know.
Alright.
Alright?
Talk to you later.
Alright, later.
Bye.
Let him think about it. He's trying to play the same game.
I hope this shit's a close race. Yo, you were good back then. What happened?
They fucked up. Yeah, they fucked up.
You were friends with these fucking kids?
We're going somewhere. Cool.
Somewhere?
Somewhere cool. I'm being nice to her, putting extra straps on.
Yeah, just grab like 2 of those. That's alright, I'll blur your face out. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do.
Tomorrow.
How do you feel about yourself right now?
Just more of a degenerate, I guess.
To the fight, but we from New York City, right, Cam?
Damn right.
The home of 9/11, a place of the lost towers. We still banging, we never lost power. Tell them. Welcome to New York City. Welcome to New York City. I'm fucking with BK's banger and Harlem's own gangster. Now that's dangerous.
get to work.
He's looking swole, right? Look at
I know.
money maker.
Fuck.
I gotta go to
Christ.
with this motherfucker.
Got fucking Hulk Hogan over here. Maybe I get over, no? Yeah, you should.
So it's making me stronger. I don't know if it's the hate, frustration, or hunger that keep a nigga going, rapping for a reason. Shit don't just happen, shit happens for a reason. I'm that dude, like it or love it. I do my thing in the hood and get right with a budget. Ain't afraid to give my life to the public.
Where does it say?
When you see me next time,
There's an accident. There's an accident. How much you want to do? He said for whatever.
I'm
However.
100. It's not me though. It's Ramadan. I'm not betting. I'm betting for my man. It's Ramadan. I'm not betting.
Yeah, I got somebody for 100 if you want to do that. You like Dre? All right, that's Jabba. So.
Don't tell him who it is. It's not me. It's Ant.
All right, whatever.
Tell him it's Ant.
All right, so. All right, bye.
Oh, pimps, let's do it.
Can't wait to see that in-car video.
Yeah. Yo, what are you wearing there? Yo.
Got with a sick ass click and went all out. Catching keys from cross seas, rolling in MPVs every week. We make 40 G's. Yo, nigga, respect my a nigga to check notch. Bow, move from the gate now.
Cash moves everything around me. Green, get the money. Dollar bill, yo. Fuck yeah, baby! I'm the king of NASCAR!